How to transform simple text into a professional motivational poster design using Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, I have already added the motivational text to the artboard. Now select the rectangle tool. Click on the artboard and set your poster size 1200 pixel width and 1800 pixel height. Duplicate the shape. Now select the eraser tool and carefully erase part of the shape to create a smooth wave-like design effect. Select the first shape and the text together. Now go to Object, Envelope Distort, make with top object, and just like that, your text automatically adapt to the shape. Repeat the same process for the second shape. And now your standing typography motivational poster is ready. This simple technique can turn any basic text into a professional eye-catching poster design